All right, you're not going to believe the email I received about a week and a half ago. Okay, here it goes. It's from a guy named John. Been watching your channel since the Kawasaki build. He's referring to the KX250, which was several years ago. Always interesting stuff. That Chevelle is going to be sweet. 4 years ago, I tried to turn an '05 KX250 into a trail bike and basically got sidetracked. Powder coated the frame and the swing arm, Warp 9 wheels and rims, never ridden, a Recluse auto clutch, again never ridden, and a Steely flyweight. The engine oil drain is stripped and I haven't worked on it in years. If you want it for parts or a project, I can give it to you for free. I live a mile and a half away, 5 minutes away, and don't want to deal with trying to sell it. I'm attaching pics. A free dirt bike. A subscriber is giving me a free dirt bike. That is crazy. So let's go take a look at it. All right, guys. Well, here it is, a 2005 KX250. That's in really good shape, and it has a lot of nice parts on it. So we'll take a quick walk around, and then we'll get into some of the details here. Okay, so this thing has all new plastics. The fork sliders are new, the fender's new, number plate is new. Looks like it needs a little work up here. It needs a new grip. This guy here we'll have to reattach. Has one of these fancy covers, Pro Taper bars. Over here, AS3 breakaway clutch lever. Here's the front wheel. It's a Warp 9, all black. Looks really nice. Brand new Michelin tire. Looks like he opted for brand new rotors as well. Can't really see too well, but it looks like it needs new front brake pads. Over here, it's missing the clamp for the brake line. Shrouds look like they're in really good shape. They're brand new with just some scuffs. The seat is in really good shape. No rips or tears. Brand new back fender. Side plates. Okay, we got a brand new silencer. So this is the FMF Stealth. And it looks like it has the spark arrestor built into it, so that's why it's really long, but this thing will be quiet and safe for trails where needed. Okay, this shroud is new. So is this one. Okay, over here we got one of these Boysen covers. Doesn't look like the front sprocket is new. We got a fancy lever up front here. This frame, brand new powder coat. Swing arm, brand new powder coat. It looks like the chain is new as well. However, it has some rust on there, and there's already a kink in here, and I see the O-rings squirting out of here. So we'll have to fix this chain, see if we can salvage it, and it's way too tight. Back here we have some fancy axle blocks and a chain guard, and it looks like a brand new sprocket. Not sure on the teeth count just yet. Okay, here's the back Warp 9 wheel with a brand new Michelin tire. And this is an 18-inch wheel, guys, so the sidewall for trail riding, it's beneficial when you have a taller sidewall. You can run lower pressure and therefore increase your traction on the trails. Look at that, it still has the little tits on the tire. Okay, it looks like the back pads are a little toasty, so might have to replace those. Over here we got more fancy caps. And then we got another Boysen cover. And I'm going to definitely take this apart to take a look at the Recluse clutch. I want to see what that's all about. And then again, AS3 brake lever. Looks like this needs some work. It's really tight, or it jams up, and that's probably because there's a bolt here. There should be a clevis pin. Going to have to reroute some of this stuff here. And it looks like a mouse got to the radiator hose right here. And there's all these little chunks of green hose, so it might spring a leak. Okay, it has an FMF gnarly pipe, so this is for low end. It has been powder coated silver by, I don't think John did it, maybe the previous owner. Would have preferred the gold plated look, but that's okay. We'll probably have to run this as is. I mean, powder coat is extremely hard to get off. Okay, it looks like it has the water pump cover. I don't know if this is a super cooler kit or what. I'll have to look further into that. All right, this is really hard. I'm kind of upside down here, but there's the drain bolt that is stripped. So it's super common for people to crank these down and blow out the threads. So we'll have to see what we're going to do about that. But man, this is a really nice looking bike, has a lot of parts, and it's not going to take a lot to complete it, assuming the engine is good. All right, so that was just a quick walk around. I haven't spent any time on this other than like a quick 10-minute walk around to make some notes on what this thing needs and what it has. So I still can't believe this guy gave it to me. I mean, that is incredible. So what I'm gonna do, what the plan is just to do some videos on this, get this thing completely functional and finish it off with graphics and whatever this thing needs. And then I owe John at least a day of riding, right? Maybe a couple days, whatever. I mean, once spring hits next year, I'll give him a call and we'll go somewhere and I'll grab my 01 and this 05 and we'll just go ride somewhere, go have a good time, right? So I'm gonna continue with the woods theme, okay? But to recap what this thing has, it has the 18-inch rear wheel from 19, goes from 19 to 18, and he gave me the stock wheels too. Probably some sprocket gearing change. He has a Steely flyweight, which he gave me. So we have the flyweight right here. It has the gnarly pipe. Suspension, I don't think that was messed up, so it's still motocross suspension. Yeah, so he really did a nice job on this. I mean, he bought some nice parts for this thing. So we're just going to finish it off. We'll do some videos. I think the first video that we need to do is, will it run? Okay, I have no idea if this thing will run or not, so we'll have to do a video on that for sure. And I'd love to hear your comments below. Let me know what you would like to see with this. I mean, with my 01 KX250, I have like 20 videos that cover pretty much everything. I mean, from engine rebuild to swing arm bearings, you name it. I'll put the playlist in the upper right. So I definitely don't want to do the same videos all over again. So I'm going to have to kind of think about what I want to do with this as far as a video series is concerned. So if there's anything you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. And overall, just give me your thoughts. Definitely leave a comment. All right, guys. See you in the next video.